Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be able to know when more videos like this come out. Please share this video with friends and family so that my videos will be able to get higher up on the homepage of YouTube, which will help my channel greatly. So today, we're going to be, me and my brother are going to be doing trick shots. I guess not trick shots, but we're going to be shooting Nerf darts or Nerf bullets at targets. So, so I'll make a deal with you guys, okay? If I hit the target first try, then you guys got to subscribe. But if my brother hits the target first try, then you guys can dislike the video if you want, or like it. But you know, don't dislike it, please. So yeah.
Pause.
So I'm gonna go first, and then my brother's gonna go first. I'm going to be shooting at this red target. I'm going to be using my I think it's a Phoenix Elite Nerf gun 2.0. So let's see how it goes, okay? Trap. See the bullets. Shoot here. Looks like this Nerf gun is not working. So I'm going to be I'm going to be using this Nerf crossbow. So, and that's also the Nerf gun my brother's going to be using. So I guess I'll use it to be a little bit more fair, because this is not an electric gun. So let's see how this goes. Missed. Okay. So we'll each get 2 tries. Looks like this Nerf gun isn't shooting very well either. Well, now it's gonna be my brother's turn. So my brother Andrew's going to be shooting. So you'll get 2 shots. Okay. Here you go, Andrew.
Thank you.
Okay. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So we're trying to shoot this red target right here. So I think like right here, right there. It's not super powerful Nerf gun, so let's see how he does. Is that a hit? Did you hit the bullseye?
I think so. I hit the right or the left.
So we're gonna have to rewatch that. So let's see. Let's see him take his second shot. I'll stand at a better angle to see. I'm gonna zoom in on the target. Oh, it went through the rope. Tell me, you guys, if I'm wrong. Tell me if you guys saw if he hit the shot first. If he hit the shot first time, okay? So Now on to level 2. Now on to level 2. It's gonna be shooting this hose head right here. Yeah, this should work. Okay, so we'll be standing kind of out right here. Like next time, we're each gonna get 2 shots. Okay. So I completely missed that. Hopefully I'll get it this time. Right there, right here. Alright, that's it right here. There's it right here. Let's go here. Okay. See. I don't know if you guys did that. I think I hit the wood. So now it's gonna be my brother's turn. Okay. No, Andrew, you're way too far. And besides, it's not even loaded.
Well, were you right here?
No, I was right here. Okay? Besides, make sure it's loaded. Or make sure it's pulled back the trigger. I'm gonna zoom in on this. Hopefully he'll get it. Nope. I think you hit it like right here. Okay, next. No. Next try. I'll zoom more out. Yeah. He hit the hose, but not the hose head, which was we're supposed to be trying to hit this. Okay. On to level 3. Okay, so level 3. Level 3 is going to be from. It's gonna be trying to shoot between those, kind of like the netting on that little net. Okay. And then trying to make it land kind of like in the goal. It's gonna get 2 tries. We're gonna be shooting from pretty far away. Okay. First try. Oh! I got it first try. Nice. So let's see. Now, next try.
Oh, you get 2.
Then out.
You'll get 2 points.
Really? It didn't go far at all. So.
Pause out there.
Let's see here. So. Let's see here. So. Now it's going to be my brother's turn. My brother is going to go level 3. He's going to try to shoot it in between, into one of these things. And try to make it land in between right there. And I'll come over to see if you got it. Okay? 3, 2, 1, shoot. Nope. Looks like he didn't make it. He gets 1 more try. But if he misses, then I'm going to be the winner of that round. There you go.
And I was the winner first.
See here. 3, 2, 1, go. Did he miss it, or did it go through, but not into the goal? Oh. Okay.
Looks like he won that one.
Yeah, it looks like I won. It looks like I won that round. Now on to level 4. We're doing level 4 now. So I am going to throw this ball up into the air, and my brother Andrew is going to try to shoot it. Okay? And he's going first this time.
Is this the last?
So, yeah, this is the last level.
Wait, where's the second board?
Stop it. I'll give it to you. Hang on. So we're going to take his first turn. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Doesn't look like he got anywhere.
Holy cow.
Looks like he didn't get anywhere near it. I'm going to go find the bullet really quickly. I got the bullet. Yeah, I got the bullet. Now we're going to do it again. And just going to take a second try. But this time we're going to shoot towards our house. No. They're going to shoot towards the house this time so it doesn't go in like a leaf pile. Okay.
I want to put it down. On the other side.
Andrew, let's see here. So I'm just going to take a second turn. Okay. Ready? Andrew, whenever you say, okay?
Wait, no, do it towards this so I don't shoot into poison ivy.
You're not going to. Come on. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Nope.
I don't think he hit that. Okay. Now it's my turn. Okay. So I'm going to be doing level 4. Where my brother is going to throw the ball up into the air, and I'm going to shoot it. Ready, Andrew? Throw it up in 3, 2, 1. Doesn't look like I got that one. Did that go onto my dick? I guess. Where'd that go? Oh, Nerf bullet. It's like Donald Duck.
Sounds like a duck laughing.
Let's see here.
That duck gave me a heart attack just now.
No, it didn't.
That scared me.
I cannot find that bullet right now, so we're going to use a different one.
That duck face.
Okay. So now for my second try on level 4. Let's see here, load it in. Let's see here. Pull it back. Okay, I'm ready, Andrew. Ready? Ready? So, I'm gonna do 3, 2, 1. I hit it!
You hit it.
I hit it! Nice!
Is that the last level? No.
Yes, that's the last level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.